Advantages of learning artificial intelligence. Increasing demand, learning AI opens up many job opportunities in various industries because there is a growing need for AI skills. Automation and efficiency. AI helps automate repetitive tasks, making them faster and more accurate, which saves time and improves productivity. Data analysis and decision-making. AI allows you to analyze large amounts of data to find important patterns and trends, helping you make better decisions. Personalized user experience. AI can create customized experiences for users based on their preferences and needs, making them more satisfied with products and services. Improved healthcare. AI can revolutionize healthcare by detecting diseases early, personalizing treatments, and monitoring patients remotely, leading to better healthcare outcomes. Enhanced cybersecurity. AI can identify and address potential cybersecurity risks, protecting sensitive information from cyber attacks. Smart assistants and chatbots. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots can help users by providing information and assisting with tasks. Automation in manufacturing. AI can automate manufacturing processes, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing product quality. Predictive analytics. AI allows businesses to predict future trends and customer behavior, helping them make proactive decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Ethical AI development. Learning AI involves understanding the ethical considerations and societal impact of AI, ensuring that it is used responsibly for the benefit of society. Disadvantages of learning artificial intelligence. Complexity and technicality. AI can be challenging to learn because it requires a strong understanding of math, statistics, and programming. Rapidly evolving field. AI is constantly changing, so it requires continuous learning to keep up with new techniques and technologies. Data dependency. AI relies on large amounts of good quality data, which can be difficult and costly to obtain and prepare. Ethical considerations. AI raises ethical concerns such as bias and privacy, so learning AI involves navigating these ethical considerations. Lack of transparency. Some AI models operate as black boxes, making it hard to understand how they make decisions, which can raise trust and accountability issues. Expensive hardware requirements. Training complex AI models often requires expensive hardware resources, which may not be easily accessible to everyone. Need for continuous learning. Learning AI requires an ongoing commitment to keep up with the latest advancements and techniques. Ethical dilemmas. AI development may involve making choices with moral and ethical implications, requiring individuals to make responsible decisions. Job disruption. AI automation may replace certain jobs, leading to job displacement in certain industries. Lack of human judgment. AI lacks human-like judgment and common-sense reasoning, making it challenging for AI systems to understand the context and deal with unexpected situations. Suggestions for learning artificial intelligence. Build a strong foundation. Start by developing a solid understanding of math, statistics, and programming basics. Take online courses and tutorials. Enroll in online courses and tutorials specifically designed for AI learning. Participate in AI communities. Engage with AI communities and groups online to connect with others and access valuable resources. Hands-on projects. Practice AI skills by working on projects that allow you to apply what you've learned. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest AI advancements by following reputable sources and attending conferences. Experiment with open-source tools. Use free AI tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch to practice and gain experience. Collaborate and network. Work with others in the AI community to learn from each other and expand your professional network. Understand ethical considerations. Be aware of the ethical implications of AI and make responsible decisions in its development and use. Continuous learning. Dedicate time to continuously learn and stay updated on AI advancements. Apply AI in real-life scenarios. Look for opportunities to apply AI techniques in real-life situations to gain practical experience. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.